What you see here is a Casablanca Lady Delta. 5 blades, 42 inches, Ferrari Red finish. As many of you are probably already aware, Ferrari Red was a part of Casablanca's Designer Series finishes, which debuted in 1986 and were more or less finished by 1993. I believe only 2 Designer Series finishes continue to live on past 1993. This particular unit is a first-year model, as denoted by the tag. Has a few scuff marks in the paint here and there, but not that noticeable from a distance. This fan came with everything except for the screws to attach the hang true to the crossbar and the irons to the flywheel, but those are pretty easily replaceable. This was a local marketplace find earlier this year, funny enough. It's not that common that Casablancas of this rarity show up close to me, but every once in a while I do get a pleasant surprise. Alright, now we'll go ahead and start the fan up on low. The fan does have its hang true, just not using it for the sake of the test installation. Also, the fan does have a light chain put in it right here, despite not having a light on it. Perhaps the original owners just put it in when they were putting the fan up, in the event that they ever wanted to put a light on the fan, just never did. Or maybe the fan previously had a light on it that was taken off. Either way, it does give the fan a slightly different look, having the extra chain. Take it up to medium. Because this fan is from 1986, when I first got it, it did have an Astrosyn stack motor in it, and the bearings were almost completely seized, so that needed fixing. I could have just replaced the bearings in the Astrosyn motor, but instead I said screw it and just replaced the whole motor, so now it has an Emerson K55 in it. It does use the original 5-blade only flywheel that it came with, as that was still in good shape. Looking at it now, it might be a teensy bit warped, or that might just be some slight disalignment of the blade irons. Lady Deltas do have very brittle blade arms. Alright, now we'll go to high. On this speed, the fan does get a little wobble. Said it before, but Casablanca made sure that their smaller fans were still very powerful. And they used the exact same motors as the larger sized fans, so I don't really see any reason why they wouldn't be. And there you have it, a Ferrari Red Casablanca Lady Delta.